Master the English language, using synonyms to amplify your vocabulary. Hello, English learners. Today, we are going to discuss an important technique that will elevate your language proficiency to a whole new level. We're going to focus on using synonyms to demonstrate language mastery. Yes, you heard it right. Synonyms, those words that have similar meanings, can be a powerful tool in expanding your vocabulary and demonstrating your proficiency in English. Synonyms are more than just alternate words to use when you want to avoid repetition. They're like the different shades of color in a painting, each carrying its own nuance and connotation that can add depth and richness to your language use. For instance, the words happy, joyful, content, and elated might have similar meanings, but each one expresses a different intensity and aspect of happiness. This nuanced understanding of synonyms is what demonstrates your mastery over the English language. How exactly do we use synonyms to expand our vocabulary? Here's a simple step-by-step method. 1. Start with a familiar word. This is the word you already know and use frequently. 2. Find its synonyms. You can do this by using a thesaurus or a dictionary. Remember, focus on understanding the subtle differences in meaning. 3. Create sentences using each of the synonyms. This will help you understand the context in which each synonym can be used. 4. Practice using these synonyms in your everyday conversation or writing. It's only through regular usage that these words will become a part of your active vocabulary. Learning synonyms can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Here are some practical tips to make the process easier. 1. Learn in context. Words don't exist in isolation. They make the most sense when used in a sentence or a phrase. So when you learn a new synonym, make sure you understand its context. 2. Start with words you use frequently. The more you use a word, the more opportunities you have to use its synonyms. 3. Don't try to learn all synonyms at once. Quality over quantity is the key when learning synonyms. It's better to fully understand a handful of synonyms than to vaguely understand dozens. And there we have it. With the power of synonyms, you can not only expand your English vocabulary but also showcase your command over the language. Remember, language proficiency isn't just about the number of words you know, but about how well you use them to convey your thoughts. So, get out there and start exploring the world of synonyms. We're sure it'll be a rewarding journey. Until next time, happy learning!